Welcome everyone to Babs Projects. Today's recipe is Rajma Masala or kidney beans curry. This recipe for Rajma Masala is my own, and I came up with this recipe because I was pressed for time and I wanted a quick recipe. So if you want something that is quick, easy and delicious, then watch this video. I'm going to start off by adding and heating some oil. And while this oil is heating, I'm going to show you what kind of rajma I use. I'm using this rajma. This is the canned kidney beans. And because this is a quick recipe, I'm using canned beans, because then otherwise if you're using regular beans, then you have to soak it overnight and you have to cook it a couple of times. So I have skipped all of those things, and it's really convenient to use this canned beans. First I'm going to add the onions and saute it until they are translucent. Now as these onions are cooking, I'm going to add some chopped garlic, one green chili and chopped ginger. And I'm going to saute it again for a minute or so. The onions are lightly browned and they are done to the way I wanted, and that did not take much time. Now I'm going to add some tomato puree to it. And to this I'm going to add the dry spices, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric, and some salt. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Add some water. Mix all of them. And now I'm going to wait for it to come to a boil. Now this has come to a boil, this curry has come to a boil. I'm going to add the kidney beans to it. These kidney beans, I have drained away all the canned liquid, and I have also washed them like at least two to three times, because I don't want to get the smell and taste of the canned liquid. They have a very peculiar taste which will change the taste of this whole curry. So if you are going to make this recipe, make sure you drain and rinse the canned beans. Now I'm going to place a lid on this and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Rajma masala is almost done, but I have to add one more ingredient, and that secret ingredient is tomato ketchup. So I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to this. Tomato ketchup will help it thicken and also add a slight sweetness to this recipe. I'm going to give it a quick stir. And now allow it to cook for a minute or so on very low flame. At this point, I'm also going to add a little bit of coriander, chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to save the rest for the garnishing. This is the thickness I like because I think it pairs up really well with rice. And now I'm going to, this Rajma Masala is done and I'm going to take it off heat and it's ready to serve. Rajma Masala is ready, and wasn't that a quick and easy recipe? So if you want this recipe and if you want the full ingredients, it's up on my blog and I'm going to add the link to that in the description below. So make sure to check that out. I usually like to pair this Rajma Masala with some nice and hot rice. This, and then garnish with some coriander leaves. I don't know if you can see this. Look at how delicious that looks. So if you like this recipe, make sure you let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, goodbye.